Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by choosing specific keywords that match your need. Keep it short and precise. Put exact phrases in quotes to lock word order. Once done, add cite or file type to target credible sources and document formats. Make sure to skim auto-suggestions for alternative phrasing or common queries, and immediately add a year or date range if timeliness matters. This gets you useful results fast and prevents wasting time on broad, irrelevant pages. You now refine results using operators and built-in tools. Use or and the minus sign to expand or exclude topics, and in title or in knurl to force important words into headings or links. Once you apply those, open tools to restrict by time or switch to news and images for alternate perspectives. Make sure to try synonyms with a tilde or use define when you need concise definitions. These steps narrow noise and surface higher quality matches efficiently. You finish by verifying accuracy and fixing issues if results disappoint. Cross-check facts across multiple reputable sources and look for original publications or official pages to confirm claims. If you see too few or irrelevant hits, broaden keywords, remove restrictive filters, or clear cache and cookies to reset personalized results. Make sure to open the cached version or use the browser find function to locate exact terms on long pages. This closes the loop and helps you trust what you.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.